Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and today I want to show you a real easy way to launch your affiliate site without even creating it. Yes, this is now possible only using the unique software I have created for you. Introducing the one-click affiliate site. With this new system, you don't need to buy hosting, you don't need to get a domain name, and you never have to write a single word of content ever again. Now, in just 60 seconds, you can have a fully loaded affiliate site full of content, images, videos, product reviews, and articles without ever writing a single word of it. And the best part is, all over the site, it automatically puts your affiliate links so you will earn commissions from any traffic that comes to the site. How amazing is that? Let me show you. I have earned over $100,000 in affiliate commissions in the last 12 months. Commissions from JVZoo, commissions from Warrior Plus, and commissions from ClickBank as well. Want to know how I did that? Let me tell you. Few months ago, I created a huge affiliate site where I put a lot of product reviews about some of the top products from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. With this site, I've been able to earn commissions every single day with traffic coming from Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Pinterest, everywhere. I even send people from my email list to this site. Now, if you want a site just like this, you'll have to create it from scratch. That means buying a domain name, hosting, installing WordPress, themes, plugins, configuring everything, and writing content from scratch for every article, wasting time doing research, creating demo videos, and spending hours and hours to do all the difficult tasks. What if I let you take over my site and let you earn commissions from my site? Yes, with the one-click affiliate site system, you get a special link to my site. And when you send traffic from that link, everything changes. My site becomes your site. All the content becomes yours, all the links and offers become yours, all the affiliate links become your affiliate links, all the banners become your affiliate offers and links. Yes, you can basically take over my site in just one click. That is the power of the one-click affiliate site system. Blown away by all this? Shocked at how this is even possible? Well, let me show you how this works. Once you get the one-click affiliate site access, you will log into your account on my site. Now you will simply add your JVZoo ID, your ClickBank ID, and your Warrior Plus ID on this page. You can also add your personal info, your photo, and your bio here for more information. And now after doing all this, you get this special link that lets you take over my site. Right now, this site has my photo and my bio on this site, and all the links offers are mine. When you visit this site using your special link, all that will change to yours. Your bio, your photo, your affiliate links, your banner links, and every single commission and click will go to you. This has never been done before, nor has any other system that exists that can do this for you. Without even buying a domain name or hosting, without doing any technical steps or even writing a single word of content, my entire affiliate site becomes your site and you earn commission and make money from my site. I have made over $100,000 in commissions last year. No money spent on any advertising, any marketing, any paid traffic, nothing at all. My site already has over 30 product review articles to earn you commissions from and 5 different banners of different offers all over the site to make you even more money. Now that is amazing, and earning commissions from affiliate sites could not have been made easier. So how can you get your hands on this? All you have to do is click the button below and get your special link to take over my site. That's all you need to do. Start your one-click affiliate site today and take the first step to becoming a top affiliate marketer. Many top marketers make really good money this way, and you have seen proof that I have done this exact thing over the last few months. It works. All you need to do is take action. So get your one-click affiliate site today and get started. We have a very special deal available for you right now during the early bird special. And once this launch is over, the pricing will go to a monthly and a yearly option. But today, you can get all this for a one-time price. So hurry up and take action now before the price goes up. Cheers.